In the realm of unsolved mysteries and true crime, few cases have captured the imagination and bewilderment as intensely as the Zodiac Killer. This video delves into the enigmatic tale of the Zodiac Killer, a notorious unidentified serial killer who terrorized Northern California in the late 1960s and early 1970s. With his cryptic messages and unrelenting reign of terror, the Zodiac Killer remains one of the most compelling criminal mysteries in history. The Reign of Terror. Between 1968 and 1969, the Zodiac Killer embarked on a brutal crime spree, targeting victims in and around the San Francisco Bay Area. Using various methods, including shootings and stabbings, the killer claimed the lives of at least 5 individuals, although he claimed responsibility for more. What distinguished the Zodiac Killer from other criminals was his obsession with taunting law enforcement and the public through cryptic letters and ciphers sent to newspapers. The infamous letters and ciphers. Throughout the investigation, the Zodiac Killer sent a series of letters to local newspapers, boasting about his crimes and taunting authorities. These letters contained a mix of cryptograms, codes, and peculiar symbols, challenging anyone to decrypt their hidden messages. The Zodiac's correspondence fueled public fear and fascination while adding to the mystique and difficulty faced by investigators. Unidentified suspect and theories. Despite extensive efforts by law enforcement, the Zodiac Killer's true identity has never been conclusively determined. Several suspects have emerged over the years, including Arthur Lee Allen, who was investigated but ultimately cleared due to lack of evidence. Other theories and suspects have been proposed, leading to a plethora of books, documentaries, and amateur sleuth investigations, all attempting to unmask the Zodiac Killer. Pop culture phenomenon. The Zodiac Killer's case captivated the public and media attention, inspiring books, films, and documentaries. The enduring fascination with the Zodiac Killer's crimes is due, in part, to the unsettling nature of his cryptic messages and the unsolved mysteries surrounding his identity. Countless theories and amateur investigators have attempted to crack the Zodiac's codes and bring an end to the mystery, further perpetuating its presence in popular culture. Legacy and ongoing investigation. Though the Zodiac Killer's reign of terror seemingly ended in the early 1970s, the case has left a lasting impact on law enforcement and criminal investigations. The Zodiac Killer's elusiveness and ability to outsmart authorities have prompted advancements in forensic techniques, code-breaking methods, and cooperative efforts between different law enforcement agencies. To this day, the investigation into the Zodiac Killer remains open, with hope that future advancements in technology may one day lead to his identification and capture. Conclusion. The Zodiac Killer's chilling crimes and cryptic messages have left an indelible mark on the pages of criminal history. The case continues to defy resolution, captivating generations of true crime enthusiasts and investigators alike. Until the day comes when the Zodiac Killer's true identity is uncovered, the enigma surrounding this infamous criminal will persist, reminding us of the unyielding pursuit of justice and the mysteries that remain hidden in the darkest corners of our society.